Hey friends, today I'm going to show you how to crochet a heart. This heart is about the size of my palm, measures at 3 inches by 2.5 inches. It's really easy. It took me about 3 minutes to make one, and of course, in the video it takes me a bit longer. So let's get started. To begin the pattern, make a magic circle. You can make a magic circle in however way you want, and this is my way of making a magic circle. Insert the hook under the first loop, pull through the working yarn, twist, yarn over, pull through the working yarn through the loop. And there you go, a magic circle. 2 chains, and this does not count as a stitch. In the magic circle, place 12 double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Again, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and last one, 12. And now pull the tail to close the circle. From here, slip stitch into the first stitch, that's this one. And I always like to carry the tail with me. 1 chain, and this does not count as a stitch. In the same stitch, place a half double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. In the same stitch, place a double crochet, in the next stitch, triple crochet, yarn over twice, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Again, into the same stitch, triple crochet, so yarn over twice, and another triple crochet into the same stitch. In the next stitch, place 3 triple crochet. One, 2, and 3. In the next stitch, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 3 double crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, and 3. In the next stitch, double crochet, and another double crochet into the same stitch, followed by a triple crochet into the same stitch. One chain. The first half of the heart is complete. And now the second half is the mirror of the other side. In the next stitch, triple crochet, followed by 2 double crochet into the same stitch. 1, and 2. 3 double crochet into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 3 double crochet into the next stitch. 1, 2, and 3. In the next stitch, place 3 triple crochet. 1, 2, and last one, 3. Again, 3 triple crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, and last one, 3. In the last stitch, double crochet and a half double crochet, and now the heart is complete. From here, we're going to slip stitch into the first stitch of the first round, 1 chain, and now the heart is complete. Thank you for joining me today. See you next time.